It is quite obvious that input content to memory comes from our senses. Based on experiments, the contents-based classification of memory is divided into phonological, visuo-spatial, and content from other senses. The phonological content will relate to all content which is verbal content or content that has some language or other symbols associated to it. The physical representation of language will, however, be visuo-spatial content that we will see later. Any sound content that may or may not have an associated visual form, music, spoken language and noise, all are types of sound content, which is phonological content. Verbal content in a way is just a sound content, which has symbols associated with it, whether they are language symbols or mathematical or other symbols. The visuo-spatial content examples are the symbols-based content for a language or for mathematics or even for music will all be visually recognizable. Hence, it is a type of visuo-spatial content. Spatial visuals are things like what all we see all around us. Could be scenes in a room or scenes in a crowd, to scenes in a picture book, to movie scenes. While walking through any area or while seeing a video file, our visuo-spatial faculty of brain plays an important role. Contents other than phonological and visuo-spatial involve our other senses of touch, taste and smell. It has been seen that these type of senses are recognized by a specific area of brain. The simple examples would be the smell sense is quite unique in its behavior. We tend to remember smell of places and are also able to associate a smell with different people. We are also able to hold this memory for a very long period and our recall value of such memory is amazing. The taste sense memory is also like smell sense. For example, a person may be able to identify taste of a dish prepared by his mother quite well. The memory related to taste also has a good retention and recall value. The touch sense memory also fall in the same category of smell and taste. Its retention and recall are also quite good and very unique. People with disability of visual and sound senses are very likely to have extra power when recognizing smell, taste and touch. Overall, we can definitely say that our brain recognizes different physical senses distinctly and our memory behavior is definitely related to type of sense. Next, we shall learn about content type based memory.